Good morning, Rattlers. We are going to be talking about our PSAT test that we are going to be taking this Wednesday, October 13th, 2021. What is the PSAT and its benefits? Okay, so 7th and 8th graders, you will be taking the PSAT, and this is a practice test in preparation for the SAT that you'll be taking in high school. Okay, the SAT that you'll be taking in high school is very important because a lot of universities use these scores for admission so that you're allowed into the university, and because you can earn scholarships if you earn a really good SAT score. Okay, everybody wants free money for college, right? That's awesome. Remember, guys, a lot of careers out there, you need to get a college degree, and we encourage you all to get a college degree. So that's why it's important that we start looking at this test and preparing for our future. What is the PSAT and its benefits? It's to help you recognize your strengths, see what you're good at and what subject and how you can get better, explore future careers, and it'll help you choose high school courses. Okay, once you receive your scores, you can see where you're at in math, in language, and reading. That way you could see what kind of courses can help you in high school. The PSAT test measures what you've already learned in the areas of math, reading, writing, and language. It is going to be a little bit different than what you're used to with STAR, but you'll see a lot of the same concepts that you've learned. And you might see some things that you haven't learned yet, but it's just testing your knowledge to see where you're at in preparation. Okay. With your scores, once we receive them, you can see what you can prepare for high school, what kind of courses to take. All right, so getting ready for college. In Clint ISD, you will have the opportunity to take the PSAT 7th and 8th grade, and then you're going to take it again in 10th grade to see how much you have improved. Once you get to 11th grade, that is when you'll take the actual SAT test, the one that's going to count, that your scores will count for college, okay? So you have a couple of years in preparation to get those scores where you want them to be. So what does the test look like? You're going to have 4 sections. The first section is reading, and that's about 55 minutes. Your teachers will be telling you the times. Second section is writing and language, 30 minutes. Third section is math. You're not allowed to use the calculator on this math section, which is 20 minutes. And then the last section, you are allowed to use the calculator, which will be provided to you. That is 40 minutes, okay? So your total test time is roughly about 2 hours and 40 minutes, including some breaks. And that's going to be from first period all the way to fifth period. Our testing will be from first to fifth, and then you will resume regular schedule for sixth, seventh, and eighth period. And this is only for Wednesday. Important note, guys. Once the time is over for each section, you cannot go back to another section. With that being said, there is no penalty for guessing or blank responses, also known as a rights-only scoring. They're only going to score your correct answers. So it's really important that we use our process of elimination and choose the best answer we think might be correct, because it won't count against us if we get it wrong. They're only going to look at your right answers, okay? Try your best, but don't stress out. Remember, this is just a guideline to see where we are at, and this is a practice test to help you prepare for the future. Remember, each and every one of you has a bright future ahead of you. It's never too early to start planning. We know that you all will do awesome. Make sure that you look for your name for your testing room. We do have posters in the front of the school, the cafeteria, and the 7th and 8th grade hallway. I know that you will do great, Rattlers. Good luck and have a great testing day on Wednesday.